Hey guys, this is Adam with HealthyThaiRecipes.com, our food blog, and our YouTube channel, Healthy Thai Recipes. So I've been going to the supermarket and they always have these things about this size, a little plastic clear square with chicken salad, and they're like $7, $8. And so one day I bought one and I took it home and I ate it in like 30 seconds. No kidding, it had to be less than a minute and I was still hungry. So I decided there has to be a better way, and so I looked on the ingredients, and it's using the rotisserie chicken. So this is the rotisserie chicken after you pull it apart. You can see how that would make the chicken salad, if you know what I'm talking about, but you'll see here in a second. So anyways, another little hack that we found was going to Kroger. If you have a Kroger, or a lot of stores do this, after 9 o'clock you can get the rotisserie chicken that are usually between $7, sometimes $8, and we buy them for less than $5 after like a certain time because they have to get rid of them before they spoil. So anyways, I'm just going to go through. You can see the ingredients here. Cameraman, camera lady, please show the ingredients. So we have, this is two rotisserie chicken. And I'm just going to go through, 2 cups shredded rotisserie chicken. I'm just going to go through as it is on my list. This is 1/2 cup thin sliced celery, 1/2 cup chopped carrots, 1/2 cup cranberries, 1/2 cup chopped pecans. That is the light mayo. You can get like a better version, olive oil version, 1/2 cup. This is 1/4 cup sriracha, 1/4 cup stone mustard, kind of like Grey Poupon. Like, do you happen to have any Grey Poupon? And this is 1/4 cup light sour cream. So we went with kind of healthier ingredients, which is another advantage of making it yourself at home. But I have to add, the sriracha is something we added, and we have experimented with this. We made this before, and did not have enough sriracha to overcome the flavor of the cranberries and the sour cream and everything. So this time we're going with 1/4 cup, which is quite a bit more than we did last time. So it's really simple. All we're going to do is you take the chicken and everything else, and you just throw it together. And then I'm just going to swirl it all together. So this is a good point for a time-lapse overhead video maybe. Okay, and then we're just going to mix it all together. Probably some time lapse and some music is good here. And then how do I serve this? With just like this, with a spoon in it, or on a sandwich?
You can make a sandwich. You can put it on
tortilla, make a roll out of it, a wrap out of it.
Mm-hmm.
So there you have it. That's the chicken salad, and then I'm just going to taste it a little bit and see how strong the sriracha is. And definitely makes an interesting combination with the sriracha and the mayo, because I already have sriracha mayos. You throw the cranberry in, and it's pretty good. So try it out, leave comments, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Later. See you in the next video.